Hey there, welcome to 13 Victory Avenue in South Portland, part of the Willard Beach neighborhood, and really glad you made the time to check out this video today. As you head down this side of the street, you'll head towards Willard Beach, Scratch Bakery, and Willard Scoops, and as you head towards this side of the street, it's towards Cottage Road. You'll see the old terracotta pasta that has now moved down the road a little bit. So plenty of restaurants, gas stations, and theaters around here. So let me have you come in. As we're looking outside though, please notice the beautiful granite curbing that has been added on here. So really a nice benefit for exterior hardscape. And why don't we come on in here? Walking in, these guys rarely come in this door, but I thought I'd bring you in through the front. You will see the really nice 3-season porch. It's currently used as some of their playroom, but as with all of my listings, I have people get things cleared out and you can see this, so you can really see the space. But a great place to set up a table if you want to have some breakfast out in the this 3-season porch. And these guys will use this through October, November, and it really gets a lot of sun. We'll come into the living room here. Beautiful hardwood floors. You can see great condition, and the walls have been freshly painted, and things really look pretty nice. Fireplace is very pretty. It is a decorative use only. This fireplace is unlined. One thing someone might want to do is either line it, or they might want to just, if they want to do some renovation work, they can easily just get rid of that and create a little bit more space to add a half bath or something downstairs if someone would want. This room is set up as their kids' TV room, and it is technically a dining room. But so if you could picture a dining room table right here, that could work. But there is an eat-in kitchen, so I don't think you're gonna necessarily need a dining room. So that just creates a nice space. Could even be a great home office if someone would want. Got a nice, lots of counter space, nice hardwood cabinetry. These are Formica counters. Someone might want to replace them, but this just gives you an idea of the workspace that you have. This is a nice island here in the kitchen, which the sellers are going to be leaving for the new owner. And here we have the nice eat-in section as well, and you've got your pantry as well, peanut butter. What are they doing? Lots of crackers, some breadcrumbs, stocking up, and then outside we can go to the great. Are you coming, Lori? All right, yeah. My videographer, i.e. my work wife, Lori, is right here. We've got a nice spacious deck, and you'll see a 2-car garage. So as I'll make a notation, this house has also been pre-inspected. I try and have all of my seller clients do a pre-inspection, which includes a radon test and a sewer line inspection. So the sewer line is clear, the radon levels are just in the 1 point something level, and we do have a full inspection report online for people to take a look at. So we certainly appreciate the sellers paying for this service to make it convenient for you. So thank you very much on that. And let's head back inside. And you can see as we're walking around, this has great natural light in here. So we do have, this is the door they come in. This is the side entrance right here. So they come in, you've got a nice coat closet. place for boots and your cabinets. And then we'll just walk upstairs. You'll notice this really nice classic black and white painting on here of the stair treads. And as we come to the top of the stairs, there is a huge walk-in closet. So lots of storage. They've got their ironing board here. They've got plenty of shelves for hanging. And just look how nice and neat this is. So for those folks who are really, this is how, I love to see places this orderly, so it gives you, the buyer, a real good perspective of storage space. Our first bedroom here is right on the driveway side, and you've got a cute closet with nice shelves, and you can see their little kids' boots down there. Lori, did you get a picture of the little pig here? They're awfully cute. So that does not convey with the sale, but I thought it was kind of cute. So, and then across the hall we have a full bathroom in here. They didn't just replace the flooring, and it does have a tub surround. So if you want to come and check this out, Lori, that would be great. It does have the tub surround. Great natural light. And then we'll go into another bedroom here. Again, you can see just the nice light here. Another closet has nice shelves in here, and then storage down below. And let me just hang their robe up here. And put that in here. And our third bedroom, they use this for their younger kids. You can see he still is using diapers and is in the crib. Could be a really nice home office for someone. Again, they've got some really cute teddy bears as well. So really sweet place, and I'm really glad you got to see this property. But before you go, I do want to show you the basement. We do have a natural gas furnace in there, and the laundry is down there as well. So let's take a quick peek. One thing you will notice, these decals on here, these do lift off. I just thought they looked really pretty, so I asked them to keep them on here. Did not think they needed to be removed, but this is not paint, it is those decals on there. So we're gonna head down to the basement, and there is a little door here that lifts up if you have a cat or a dog. We'll just come down here. There's another door that goes outside, and then let's just, we'll come down here. And you can see, this is where all the stuff went. For those folks who hire me, you'll notice that with these things in here, we always make sure that things are looking neat and tidy. And these guys have done a great job of getting this house ready for the buyers to really see how much storage space exists. So you will notice that there is a washer and dryer here as well, and the natural gas high efficiency direct vent furnace outside. So and you can see that, and you've got several zones here, and the electrical panel, I'll just have you follow me over here, Lori, and the electrical panel is been upgraded as well. Oh, and I see toilet paper. I did tell them they need to hide this because this might disappear on them. So we won't see this visibly for showings, but I might even take some. Have a great day. Bye.